avocado oil because it's healthy and it's good and has a high point of insertion. Put a little bit higher first. First ingredient is bacon bits. And the other ingredient I'm going to use is spicy sausage. So we let this stuff get to its proper heat. And while that's happening, we're going to scramble our eggs. Then we're going to spice it up. So we're going to use lemon pepper Mrs. Dash, just the right amount. Cayenne pepper. St. Augustine dado pepper zest. Mix it in. So the eggs are basically ready to be poured in. So we're going to put them away aside for a second. And now we got to wait for this to heat up properly. So now this looks like it's almost ready to be stirred, and then we can start adding spinach to it. So both the bacon as well as the sausage have been pre-cooked. So really what we're doing here is we're rewarming them to the proper heat. And now we're going to add spinach into the mix. And we basically wait for the spinach to be properly sauteed. So you want to get this steamed so that it becomes nice and soft. So we're going to cover it up and wait for it to become soft. So this is almost getting ready. And then we got a little bit of another little secret ingredient, Lee and Perrins Worcestershire sauce. So this looks good at this point. Spinach is ready. Everything is nicely, properly heated. So it's time for us to lower the heat so that the eggs don't become too hard right away. Remove it off the heat for a sec. And now we're going to start adding the eggs. And now we mix it to scramble the eggs. And that's how you make spinach and sausage scrambled eggs. Voila.